it starts to record. I'm recording you guys now. Look at our little pajama girl.
You're wearing a pajama
Tomorrow. And where's your little bed buddy? There's a little bed bug buddy. Your happy feet, happy feet. And then there's that one. And then there's, hey, look at here. Look at that face. Look at that face. And where's another? There were more. Yeah, little grumpy grizzles. Look at you guys. You're so cute. All right, the babies are all lined up for the chow line. We got all kinds of little monkeys. Jack. Is everybody in line? JJ's looking just like Madison used to. Where's the beef? Where's the beef?
Yeah, but I have to make sure I have enough because if I don't...
He's going to be one cranky little blind dog.
No, they eat them.
They eat them.
There you go. There's yours. Here, Wyatt. He doesn't take from your hand. Come here, Jack. Jack.
Jack just got Wyatt's.
There's yours.
Jack's been an orphan for a while. There, the little chow line. All the little chow hounds all lined up in a row.
We do this to finish it up because JJ's food doesn't have a whole lot of nutrients except sweet potatoes. So. There you go.
Oh my God, and it's the throw and fetch. The wonderful throw and fetch. Go.
This is a couple times a day.
On your mark, get set,
He doesn't shut up.
go.
Just want more. Okay.
You're looking at Shauna's beautiful place.
I want to go open the curtains. You want me to open
Yeah.
these?
But it's not quite light yet.